संग्राम जी, संग्राम इधर आना 1 मिनट। वो जो हरियाणा से आई हुई बाई है ना हैंडलर द्वारा, उससे अगर काम नहीं होता तो दूसरी ऑप्शन देखो ना, बिकॉज उससे काम नहीं होता। मैं आधा काम पूरा करती जाती हूँ और वो कुछ भी नहीं करती, तो अगर उससे काम नहीं होता तो किसी और को देखो। सारा काम मैं ही कर रही होती हूँ, ठीक है। So my dear husband is handling the labor, the local labor, because that's the way it is. And I don't want to get into the petty politics. मुझे फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता, you know, because I'm not like running my house from my iCloud kitchen. It was an experiment to learn. I learned. What is the next step? Next step is, yes, those people who are very needy and need healthy food cooked at home, ghar jaisa khana, nutritious and healthy and tasty, then you can always message me on my WhatsApp number. I will go and check if the Zomato button is on or off, Swiggy button is on or off, because ये लोग अपने आप on off कर देते हैं, and make sure that the food gets delivered to you. I'll make sure that I cook it, you know, in a healthy manner, and I pack it and I give it to you, till we don't have the correct kind of chefs and helpers and everything, you know, because you know this area is like compromised, but handlers हैं, तो अभी मेरे husband जाने और वो handlers जाने. I am not getting into dealing with this kind of, you know, strata of society. Now I'm going to be sharing. ये केले मुझे रिटर्न करने हैं, तो इसका कितना है केले का? $52 है, तो आप वो अपडेट करेंगे, क्या करेंगे? So I just ordered from DMart and the केला were not good, so I returned it because संग्राम मुझे बोलता कि मेरे केले अच्छे नहीं हैं. I have to stop him from buying from local vendors, buy from online, because local vendors है ना उसको बेवकूफ़ बनाते हैं, overcharge करते हैं. December 2022, the one that we did for the second time in Bombay. Otherwise, you got married in Agra. So as per your marriage date, you are eligible for adoption after 2 years of stable marriage. Oh my God, hey Bhagwan, Sagram, we need stable marriage of 2 years as per Kagas. Though we have crossed that 2 year zone. हम जुलाई में शादी किया था हमने, है ना? जुलाई में किया था. Lovely. So these are some other rules, okay? Rules, kagas. Rules have to be same for all. Yes, they have an eligibility criteria. Consent of both the spouses for adoption shall be required in case of a married couple. A single female can adopt a child of any gender. A single male shall not be eligible to adopt a girl child. But a couple that is into porn business can adopt a girl child. Awesome, man. The way the rules are. Obviously, the porn actress from abroad who has been given respect in India is having a lot of political clout, no? Otherwise, kaise a couple that is into porn business is given a girl child, adoption of a girl child? How is that possible? जब आप एक सिंगल मेल को गर्ल चाइल्ड अडॉप्ट करने नहीं देते, सिंगल फीमेल को करने देते हैं, बट कपल के लिए दोनों की कंसेंट रिक्वायर्ड है, तो आपके ऐसे रूल्स है, तो यू डोंट लुक एट द प्रोफेशन ऑफ द कपल हु इज गेटिंग इनटू अडॉप्शन. A couple that is into porn is adopting a girl child. Lovely. I have made this bhindi aloo. Doesn't it look nice? It's not burnt. Yeah, baby.
पर कॉल कर रहे हैं वो अभी उपलब्ध नहीं है. तुम्ही ज्या व्यक्तीला कॉल करत आहात ती ह्या वेळेस उत्तर देत नाही. कृपया थोड्या वेळाने प्रयत्न करा. The person you are calling.
So the Startup India contact in Delhi, I think, has got busy. So now I'm trying the Maharashtra contact. This is a number that they've given. Let me see if anybody picks up.
कॉल करत असलेला नंबर सध्या अनुपलब्ध आहे. The number you are calling is currently unavailable.
Can you imagine the number is unavailable and this is on the Startup India website. So now Digital India needs to be taken seriously. You need to have a proper infrastructure. Do you understand? इनका की सेक्टर है फूड प्रोसेसिंग. वो नासिक इंजीनियरिंग क्लस्टर ने फूड प्रोसेसिंग का ही इंक्यूबेटर बोला था अपने आप को. दे हैव सो मेनी विमेन लेड स्टार्टअप्स. अब ये कॉन्टैक्ट से है किससे है आई हैव नो आइडिया. बट एनीवेज it's always good to see what is working in the government and what is not working in the government. After all, we elect the government, no? We are still a democracy, right? बहुत सारे लोग सोचते होंगे कि पायल संग्राम के कॉन्टैक्ट्स को मिसयूज़ करेगी. एक्सक्यूज़ मी, संग्राम के कॉन्टैक्ट्स मेरिट पे अगर मेरे साथ वार्तालाप करे, डिस्कशन करे, तो वो ही बहुत होगा. ठीक है, because I know his contacts, but his contacts just want to use him. So kindly don't use him, don't misuse each other. But as you all are public servants, you are occupying public posts, you need to be accessible to public. I am public. Actress, yes. Celebrity, yes. But at the end of the day, I am Indian public who wants to understand if startup is genuine or it is fixed. And if it is genuine, I have a right to meeting. I have a right to understand how to go ahead with my startup idea. Yeah? So लोग जो कहते होंगे कि पायल संग्राम के कॉन्टैक्ट्स को मिसयूज़ करेगी या कुछ करेगी, उनको मैं पहले से बता दूं, मैंने आज तक जब मिसयूज़ नहीं किया, रोड के ऊपर स्टॉल से सीखा है, तो मुझे कभी भी ये स्टेटमेंट मत देना वाया संग्राम. या काइंडली मेक योर वेबसाइट्स वर्किंग, काइंडली बी अवेलेबल फॉर मीटिंग्स, बिकॉज इलेक्शन का कुछ लेना देना नहीं है विद मीटिंग्स. अगर इलेक्शन का मीटिंग से लेना देना है, दैट मीन्स इट इज़ कनेक्टेड. It should not be connected. It should be irrespective of elections. The Startup India meetings, the Startup India phone numbers, contact numbers, meetings should be irrespective of elections in India.
इसने मुझे कंफ्यूज कर दिया भैया. दो ऑर्डर एक टाइम. ये निकालो बिल्ला, ये निकालो बिल्ला.
So apparently there was a multi-order. The way what happened in Delhi, the same multi-order thing I must have started in Bombay. और मैंने बिल्ला गलत लगा लिया. जिसका ऑर्डर था पिकअप का, उसमें प्रिपेयर्ड ऑर्डर का बिल्ला लगवा दिया.
ये फेंक दो, मैं आपको ले देता हूँ.
I still have to buy the POS machine. I think I'll buy from ICICI. That's better because POS is healthy hustle. apparently for an order I forgot to give dal. So now I'm just going down to give dal because the rider will take a lot of time to come up. So I have to balance it. I have to be kind. ये lift चलेगी नहीं चलेगी, I have no idea. इतना गंद किया हुआ है सब जगह. Oh my god, look at that. So much dirt has been done. So much of dirt has been done. I don't know what to do. It also won't come on time. Anyways, Sangram का मुझे खाना देना. I'll give it फटाफट till the time he gets ready. And then I have to leave town for Bandra, in fact. Now I'm on my way to get my teeth done. Yeah. My laminate, long pending, long due. BMC ने सब जगह खोद रखा है. मतलब it's a torture again now. Because I'm stepping out after ages and all the roads are dug up. Okay, every rains the roads get dug up. I have no idea why. Maybe every year in 365 days they realize that they have not done something and they need to redo it. Look at this. I've been staying in Bombay for like nearly 15-20 years now, and every time before monsoon it's dug up. Hi BMC, what do you guys do? Every 365 days there is a new development, so the roads have to get dug up for the lines to get sorted. Look at that. Look at that. I don't understand, how can you not do work that lasts for at least 2 years? And I'm not complaining when I'm just showing you the state of the roads, okay? I'm just putting things across that every year the roads are dug up. BMC, we are very grateful to you. But the thing is that there are stalls on the road, the roads are dug up. So we should just like, I should just let you know about it. Because शायद आपको पता नहीं हो. Yeah, just making you aware. Not complaining.